Welcome back. Time for new build. So I've had some folks throw in some recommendations. I decided it was time to look at some of those. So threw them all together, went out and ordered a few things, and this is the first thing that came in. I know technically it's not a Gundam, but I'm hoping you'll overlook that. The Eddas Asgard. So let me tell you folks, this is a big box and it's heavy, really heavy. I threw it on the scales, it came in at 5.5 pounds. So definitely has some weight in it. I think the build time on this is probably gonna be longer than I care to put into like one video. So we'll do the unbox, drop this video, and then I'll drop a second video with the review and everything, and I'll link them all together so you can find them easy. But really, I'm excited to dig into this kit. So let's head over to the workbench and get it out of the box. Okay, this is big enough that I went ahead and took it out of the box because I just didn't have room. Yellows, I mean, all sorts of different colors here, different runners. Oh, we got some screws here. That'll be interesting. It gives me an idea with some stuff going on here. Probably lots and lots of runners. What is this? Corrections. Huh, okay, that's a little different. I'll have to be sure I go through like the instructions and take some notes, because otherwise I will forget those things exist before I get there. Lots of nice colors. Golly, there's gotta be 40 to 50 runners here. Stickers, got some sticky style decals, and not sure about those. Guess we'll find out. Golds and yellows, blues and oranges. Man, we're talking about a lot of runners here. Ooh, these look like parts to a display base. Oh, yep, there's the actual base. Okay, I like that. Kit that comes with a display base is nice. Oh, and here's our weight. These are all metal. That's cool. Get this box out of the way here so we can look at the instructions. So of course we got our parts list. Big parts list to be expected. Okay, this is nice. It shows the runners you need, but also gives you some color coding. That's pretty nice. Definitely would help track down some of them when you know the different colors you're looking for. Oh yeah. I have no idea what these are. I guess we'll figure it out. I mean, it looks very typical of a Gundam setup. Oh, there's the display base. So we're coming in at 39 pages. There's all of our decals. Oh, interesting. Painting palm parts is not recommended. Paint can damage the plastic. Well, that's a good thing to keep in mind if you like to paint. Okay. Well, this looks very cool. So ready to dig in. I'll see you after we get done building it.